In this video, we'll be installing a Madjax Kinect Screen on your EasyGo RXV. Each kit will include your Kinect Screen display, Kinect Hub, universal harnesses, RXV adapter, and configuration-specific harnesses. Ensure that your cart is not plugged into power, then switch the key into the off position. Then, remove seat bottom and set aside. Place the run tow switch to tow. If you have a lithium battery, be sure your battery is powered off. Disconnect all leads from the negative battery terminal. Removing the battery is not required. Next, remove the RXV cup holder insert from your vehicle. Remove the 3 sheet metal nuts on plastic studs as shown using a 10mm socket, then discard the removed hardware. Remove the cup holder insert and unplug the USB port cable from the DC to DC converter. Then, uninstall the USB port from the RXV cup holder insert. Unscrew the large plastic nut. Then retain both the port and large plastic nut for later use. Remove the vehicle running board from the passenger side by removing the 5 Torx screws using a T45 socket and retain hardware. Now roll up the vehicle floor mat over toward the driver's side of the cart. Remove the push rivets from the pedal box cover using a flathead and retain hardware. Now prepare the included Madjax Kinect display harness. Crimp the ring terminal onto the green accessory wire. Route your Madjax Kinect display harness from the cup holder area to the battery tray. Now, feed the cable through the channel in the floor. This is a great time to route any auxiliary cables, like the ones on the Madjax Decibel soundbar. Reinstall the plastic push-in rivets on the pedal box cover, then replace the floor mat. Reinstall the passenger side running board using the retained hardware. Now mount the Madjax Kinect Hub underneath the seat area. It's recommended to mount on the inside of the body close to the battery, solenoid, and cable tray. Find an open surface to attach the Kinect Hub and clean the surface with alcohol. Once dry, peel adhesive and attach Madjax Kinect Hub. Now route the red and black power wires from the hub to the battery terminals, but do not connect to the battery terminals yet. Using zip ties, organize any loose wires. Next, plug the 6-pin Kinect display harness into the hub. Remove the 3 rivets from the run tow switch cover. Be sure to retain hardware and then remove the cover. Remove the specified nut from your solenoid using a 1/2 inch socket. Attach the ACC wire ring terminal, the green wire, to your solenoid and reinstall the nut. Reinstall the run tow switch cover using your retained hardware. Then, plug your 2-pin can breakout harness into the Kinect Hub. The next steps will be specific to your battery configuration. If your cart runs off of a lead-acid battery, you can move ahead to the controller setup. If you are installing your Kinect Screen on a cart that uses a bolt battery, install the bolt battery jumper harness to the can breakout harness. Then install the other end of the bolt battery jumper harness to the can port on the battery. If you are connecting to an eco battery, unplug the charger from the can port on the battery. Then, plug the 2-pin can breakout harness into the unplugged ends. The eco battery jumper harness is included if you need to route further away from the hub. The state of charge meter must remain plugged in, even if not in use, to ensure full Kinect functionality. For an RXV Elite factory lithium battery, plug the RXV can adapter into the can breakout harness. Then detach the factory RXV Elite diagnostic can port and reattach to the RXV can adapter. The next steps will be specific to your controller configuration. If you are installing on an OEM controller, start by plugging in the 8-pin Madjax Kinect speed sensor harness into the Kinect Hub. Then route the 4-pin plugs into the motor area. Unplug the OEM speed sensor from the main harness near the motor, and plug the Madjax Kinect AC speed sensor harness in between the OEM plugs. Now, route the reverse sense wires to the main harness underneath the seat and tap into the key switch reverse. If your cart has a Navitas controller, run the 2 free ends of your CAN breakout harness to the controller. Next, plug the Navitas jumper into the CAN breakout harness. Then plug the Navitas jumper into the Navitas controller. Using zip ties, organize any loose wires. Next, prepare the Madjax Kinect adapter and screen. It is recommended this step is done on a protective surface to protect the screen. Detach the plastic cover from the back of the Kinect display by removing 4 of the M5 Phillips head screws. Discard the back cover, but retain hardware. Then, feed the wires from the screen through the adapter. Now, using the retained hardware, attach your display to the adapter. Now, locate the standoffs in the adapter cup holder and install them into the Kinect RXV adapter. Take care to match the orientation of the standoffs. Then, install using 3 Phillips head screws. Insert the OEM USB port into the pre-cut hole in the adapter. Secure on the inside of your adapter with the retained large plastic nut. Now, install the Madjax Kinect RXV adapter into the cup holder area. A second set of hands is recommended for this part. Plug the Madjax Kinect display into the 9-pin display harness. Then plug the OEM USB port back into the DC-DC converter. Next, place the Madjax Kinect RXV adapter into the cup holder area. Ensure the Madjax Kinect RXV adapter is centered and in position. Then, using 3 of the included Phillips head screws, screw up from below into the RXV adapter standoffs. Next, using 2 more Phillips head screws, self-tap into the RXV driver and passenger side storage areas. Now we can install the ring terminals from the Kinect Hub to the battery terminals, starting with the positive side first. Start with the ring terminal for the Kinect Hub and ensure your ring terminals are attached smallest to largest, with your largest being closest to the battery. Continue ring terminal installation on the negative battery terminal. Using zip ties, organize any loose wires. Now turn your battery on. Place the run tow switch to run and replace the seat bottom cushion. Then power on your vehicle. Remove the screen protector and configure display settings to your preferences. You can now enjoy your Madjax Kinect display for your EasyGo RXV.